Hello, my name is Suraksha, Shrestha student ID 2509099681. This is my task 2 video demonstration for the CET333 product development module. I developed a full stack mod web application for AI solutions built against the functional and non-functional requirements. Agreed and signed off with my client, my module tutor acting as the AI solution representative on 6th May 2026 across 4 signed client meetings. I will demonstrate all 9 functional requirements FR1 through FR9 and the relevant non-functional requirements, the same orders is by signed requirement specifications. Before showing the page, I will start the application from scratch so you can see it's a real running server, not just static files. Here the project open in VS Code. In the file structure you can see the mon architecture models for the MongoDB schemas, routes for Express API endpoints, views for the HTML pages and public for the frontend CSS and JavaScript. I will open the integrated terminal and run npm start. The console confirmed the MongoDB connections and show the server running at localhost 3000 with the admin panel available at localhost 3000 admin login. Now I'll open the browser and navigate to local 3000 to begin the walkthrough. This is the home page. It introduces AI solutions, state the company missions, and highlight the key services on offer, including the live dashboard preview widget. This satisfies the FR1. The home page is displaying company introduction, missions, and key services. Next is the services page listing AI solution software and offering with a short description of each one satisfying FR2. This is gallery page displaying photographs from past proportional events in a grid layout satisfying FR3. Next, this is event page listing upcoming company events with their dates satisfying FR4. Beyond the 9 core requirements, I also built an about page, blog page with proportional articles and a testimonial page showing customer feedbacks and ratings. This weren't part of the signed scopes but round out the public facing site. Now I will demonstrate responsive design using Chrome tab tools. I will switch to a mobile viewport. The navigation collapse into a mobile menu and the layout will flow cleanly without overlapping or breaking a tablet switch to. This matches the responsive breakpoints in my wireframes in section 5 of the reports and satisfied NFR 3. Next, the contact us form, the center of this project data flow. First, I will deliberately enter invalid data letters in the phone number field and submit validations catches this and show an error message. Look here. Validations catches this and show an error message without sending anything to the server. This satisfies NFR4 client slide and server slide validations. And now I will fill in all 7 required fields correctly: full name, email, phone, company, country, job title and job details and submit. This demonstrates FR5 and the post. The success message The success message confirmed the inquiry was saved. This demonstrates FR5 and the post half of FR8. To prove isn't just a front-end message, I will open MongoDB Compass. and so the same inquiry sitting in the database with all seven field status of a new and a submission timestamp. Now I also show in Postman. Here. Now the admin log. First, an incorrect password. The system returns a generic unauthorized message rather than confirming whether the email or password was wrong or deliberate or security choice. So an attacker can't tell which part of your guess was correct. Now I will log in with the correct credentials. Authentication success, and I redirected to the dashboard sessions is handled with a JWT stored in a HTTP only cookie, which meant it can't be read by client-side JavaScript, protecting against cross-site scripting attacks. This satisfies FR6 and FR5. Now this is dashboard. Now this is the admin dashboard. At top start card show the total number of inquiry, how many are unread and how many have been replied to below. This data is the inquiry tables including the one I just submitted through the contact us form. I will now change this inquiry status from new to reply. The dashboard update immediately confirming the GET and Patch API endpoint are both working correctly. This satisfies an IFR7 and the reminder of IFR8. To clear about what replied means here, this stays. To be clear about what replied means here, this status is an internal tracking flag for the admin teams, not an automatic email senders. It practice an admin will respond to the inquiry directly by email using contacts details submitted. Claims with inquiry are still outstanding. Finally, the chatbot name area in my design documentations. It's a rule-based keywords matching assistant not connected to any external AI services. This was confirmed with the client Twitter's 3 as sufficient for the project scope. If I ask about pricing, ARIA immediately return a relevant predefined response that satisfy EFR9. Now browser compatibility, here the site in Google Chrome, now in Mozilla Firefox, now in Microsoft Edit. Layout, styling and functionality stay consistent across all three, stay satisfy NFR1. That completes my demonstration of all 9 functional requirements and the relevant non-functional requirements from my signed requirements specifications. Behind what you have seen, the system was verified through 19 black box test cases covering every requirement, including 2 genuine issues that were found fixed in the code and successfully retested, both documented in section 6 of my testing report. The completed system was reviewed with the client during a user app acceptance testing on 23rd June 2026, where all agreed requirements were confirmed as met and the project received final sign off. Thank you for watching.